Hi everybody, so I just wanted to jump on really quickly to show you some of the first packages I got from Young Living. I signed up with Young Living through my sister-in-law Lindsay, who got on board with essential oils in the last couple months, and she's loving it and wanted to share it with me. And so each month Young Living has promotion where if you spend X amount of money, you do get free products, but I'm like, if it's free, it's for me, right? So one of the things is that usually when you buy a starter kit is that you get additional free products. Again, love it. So I got my free products, and I'm gonna do a starter kit unboxing in another video. I just wanted to start with my first Young Living unboxing, so I'm like super excited. Super excited. So I got two things. I got an oil, which I can't remember what it is, so this is gonna be a surprise. And I got a diffuser. So when you get a premium starter kit, you get a diffuser, and I upgraded for the Rainstone, which I have behind me. And I did unbox it live, so maybe I can pull that video out and just upload it. So one of the freebies I got for signing up is another second diffuser that I can have right away upstairs, because this diffuser is kind of like pretty awesome, pretty chic, and so it's gonna stay down here. So I got the ORB. So I started to unbox this and I'm like, oh, I need to jump on and show y'all. So this is the ORB portable, USB ultrasonic diffuser. Ooh, ultrasonic. I wonder if that means it's kind of got some like ionizing properties. So let's see. Ooh, and it's got different light settings. A blue light setting, mist every 3 seconds. The green light setting means it sprays continuously. Nice. Compact, which is super small. Okay, so you can go anywhere. So that means I could put this in my car, which sounds kind of crazy, but I have 2 labs, so I kind of probably need some diffusing in my car. And also for like long road trips, right? Because they've got a lot of stuff to help with like mental focus and clarity and energy. So I could see me using this in the car. Right now it's going upstairs. Oh, so okay, so it's super nice and simple. It just twists off right like that. There's a max fill line right there. And if it's like the Rainstone, you're supposed to be just using regular tap water, which is nice. So let's see, simply add water to the base, pre-soak an enclosed cartridge with water, add 5 drops of essential oil to the base. Plug it into the USB into your computer or anything else, converts into a microfine aromatic mist. Boom, great for travel and work. Cartridge, I don't know, oh, it just means this. Oh, it's in, the cartridge is already there. Nice. Oh, I like it. So it has like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but so it has the cartridge built in. So that's super simple. It's super small. It's like 2-piece, which is nice and simple, right? I mean, sometimes I can't have a whole bunch of parts, right? Nice. Fill up the max line, put in 5 drops of oil, and you're good to go. Boom. Nice. Let's see if it works right now. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, and of course it has more of an instruction manual, which I should always suggest that you read that. Okay, super easy. I just filled it with some water. I randomly had my phone charger here. I'll plug this in. Boom, let's do this, you guys. Let's do this. Right here. Okay, so what is in here? I'm super excited. Like Christmas. Oops, there was something in there I was supposed to read. This is why you don't act like you're 5 and it's Christmas. Oh, it's a note. Oh, she sent me a little like welcome letter. Aw. Darla, she's so nice. Rosemary! Oh my God. She gave me rosemary for signing up with Young Living. Okay, I am super excited about this because rosemary is a very common ingredient for a lot of I don't want to say skincare, but for a lot of like personal care. So rosemary is one of the 3 ingredients that I want to put in a scalp treatment to help strengthen, grow, and build your hair. So, oh my God, this was actually on my list. So I don't know if she knew that. What awesome. Okay, oh my gosh. I didn't even know that. I thought it was gonna be some like cedar wood. That's awesome, Darla. If you're watching this, that's freaking awesome because that was on my wish list. Let me just put some lavender in. Okay. That's awesome. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, red light. Okay, so it's got little grooves and you just line up the grooves, but it's nothing too crazy. So there's a blue and a green. Green is continuous and blue is every 3 seconds. So here we go. Let's see. Oh, that's blue. Oh, is that blue or green? No, that's totally blue. Look at that. It's so bright in here. Let's see if we can, I don't know if you can see that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, there's green. That's continuous. Boom. Man, that's kind of like a nice mist for something so small and something so portable. That's like intense. I love it. I bet it could be like a little nightlight because it's like for real putting off some good light. Oh my God. So excited. Okay, I'm loving it. One more reason to be so excited about this whole Young Living journey. So thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Darla. Thank you so much. I am loving it. I can't wait to just like dive in and like get started. So I will see you guys later. I will post a premium starter kit unboxing, and I'm gonna unbox all of my monthly ER orders. So I will see you on my first Essential Rewards unboxing, which get hooked up with Essential Rewards. I love you guys. I hope you have a great, fantastic, safe day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.